Magbablog ako for a day. Maglalakad ako sa mall just to feel what it feels like to be Heart Evangelista for a day.
Good luck!
Exciting game show kung saan POV mo ang Panal. June 6, 6:15 p.m.
People have spoken.
See you there!